schools also you must have done this. What is distance? Whenever we say we have covered some distance. So here the distance is whenever body changes its position or location. The length of the path between initial to final point represent the distance. Here in this figure you can see. In the same way the displacement is there. It is a straight line distance between initial and final point in a particular direction. Okay, so distance is what? When a body changes its position, or we can say location, the length of the path between initial to final point represent the distance. So here is what is the path. You can see the person is or the thing is starting from here. You can see over here. It has gone this way and it came and reached over here. So what is now? When body changes its position or location, the length, the important word over here is what? The length. This is more important. The length of the path between initial to final point represent distance. Let's say this is 100-meter distance. From here, it is starting point and this is the basically the end point. We can say the distance is what? 100 meter. Let's say you run in a track. You run in a track. How the track is?
Straight, sir.
Huh? How the track is? The track is, this is one straight, this is one straight, and from here the curve is there. The curve is not that much smooth, but and we can say we are marking all other lanes. You are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's say this is the finish point. The 100-meter race some start from somewhere here and it is covering a 100-meter distance. But a 200-meter race, it starts somewhere here. Now the athlete is running and moving and finishing over here. We say the distance is 200 meter. But when it comes to displacement, what it is? From the initial point, a straight line is drawn and it is reaching over this point. Okay, so for a distance, the length of the path is important. Length. And for displacement, what is there? Anyone knows what is there? Distance between initial to final point, and that too in a particular direction. The arrow is showing the direction. Okay, so here the figure is, you can see over here. In displacement is what? It is a straight line distance between what? Initial and final point in a particular direction. Here the arrow is showing in this figure above. You can see over here. The distance is the line, dotted line you can see over here for distance. This for displacement, initial to final. Okay, initial to final. Any question in this?
No, sir.
Okay. If you are going further, if the distance is a straight line, that is part covered, then distance and displacement is same. Let's see this example over here, 100 meter. In this, distance is equal to displacement. Why? Because the length of the path is also 100 meter and the initial to final point is also 100 meter. So if the distance is straight line, that means here the distance is equal to displacement. In the figure above, distance is more than displacement. Here you can see this point and you see this figure. In this, distance is more and displacement is less. So we can say distance can be more than or equal to displacement. Now let's see the last figure. The last point, not figure. Last point say what? Displacement is equal to 0. Hari, you know the situation over here when this will happen?
Sir,
Hmm? Hari?
sir,
सर डिस्प्लेसमेंट बता दीजिए एक बार.
Huh?
the distance and the displacement is equal, then it may be zero, sir.
Hmm?
सर डिस्प्लेसमेंट एक बार वापस बता दीजिए.
Hari, you
Sir,
understood the first situation, distance is equal to displacement. You understood that.
yes, sir.
The second one you understood, distance is more than or equal to displacement.
Yes, sir.
Now the third situation is displacement is equal to 0. Can this happen?
Yes, sir. In 400 meters, sir.
No,
Hari?
In 400 meters, sir.
Hari, you understood what he's saying, Saurabh?
so he's saying 400 meters.
So what is that 400 meters about?
The starting point and the ending point are the same.
Yes, because the starting point and ending point are the
Same.
same. Let's see this figure which I've made before. That means this, and the curve is, you have seen the 400-meter race,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
or it is starting from here and you are running and you are covering that distance. So distance will be 400 meter. So distance is equal to how much? 400 meter. But displacement is how much?
0.
0. Like in your swimming, let's say. What happened? In the pool, you are jumping, swimming, touching the wall, and now going back. Till here, the distance and displacement will be equal. As you move again in this direction towards the starting point, the displacement is starting to decrease. Displacement, what will happen? It will start to decrease. And if you come over here, if your race is finishing here, that means displacement will be nearly equal to 0. You got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you understand this, we'll move further. Now what is speed and velocity? There are two things now. So speed is what? The rate of change of body's motion, or we can say distance covered per unit time. That means speed is what? Distance covered per unit time. So d is the distance and this is time. Okay, so average speed is what? Total distance covered by total time. Let's say you are moving from one place to another and you are covering a distance 100 kilometer, let's say, and you are taking the time is 2 hours. So what will be the average speed? What will be the average speed? 100 kilometer divided by
50.
2. Okay, so it will be 50 kilometer per hour, or we can measure the smallest unit, that is what? The meter per second.
चलो ये दो पहले लिख देते हैं
Okay, clear?
हाँ यही
Moving further, velocity, the rate of change of motion of an object in a particular direction. It is also the same, but it is having a direction. So velocity is what? That distance, but the important is the one thing is added in this, that is direction.
मैं अपनी भी मत पीता मैं सुबह 7 बजे से बोल रहा हूँ शाम को चलने के लिए क्यों नहीं
You
चल
must
रहा
be knowing scalar quantity and vector quantity. Anyone? What is scalar quantity? Anyone? Scalar quantity? No? Sarayu? Sarayu is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So scalar quantity means which is having the quantity which is having magnitude. Magnitude. That means the amount of force, we can say. But it is not having this direction. So vector quantity is having magnitude plus direction. That's why the distance is scalar quantity and displacement is vector quantity. Okay, if the direction is not there, we cannot say it is a vector. So vector is having the magnitude, that means the amount of quantity. Vector is having magnitude as well as direction. Same way, speed is a scalar quantity, but velocity is what? Vector quantity. Okay, you understood this? For you all, just see what is scalar quantity and vector quantity. Tomorrow we'll discuss about this. Okay, so now the speed, how fast are you traveling, and velocity is speed but in a given direction. Direction is important. Okay, we'll move further. Okay,
Yes, sir.
or here in this box also it is written change in position. That means displacement upon time. Velocity. Velocity cannot be distance upon time. So it is having a particular direction. Okay? Okay. The last one is acceleration.
आ रहा हूँ पापा
Acceleration is what? The rate of change of velocity. Now, rate of change of velocity. So here the A is what? The acceleration is equal to V minus U divided by T, and it is measured in meter per second square. Let's say yesterday we discussed that 100-meter start. At the start, the U is 0. Let's see this figure. at the time of start, the u is 0. Let's say we are measuring for the first second. एक सेकंड में कितना है? First second. So what will be the acceleration? U value is 0.
हेलो
Let's say
हाँ
it
भैया वो
takes
पापा भी थोड़े
about
बाहर हैं आज है ना, तो मेरे से
8 meter.
मेरे को कॉल कर लीजिएगा।
So
हाँ
V
तो
will
अभी
be how much?
कब लेके आ रहे हैं क्या बल्ब? आप
8.
बल्ब लेके आ रहे हैं आज आप?
So what is that? V
हाँ हाँ
value is 8, U value is 0. So acceleration will be
हाँ, जो हम अपने घर पे लेके
how
आए थे ना,
much? A is equal
वो
to
वाली लेके आए।
8 minus 0
अच्छा
divided
जो
by
डिजाइन
1.
था ना उसके ऊपर ऐसे सिल्वर हाँ लाइनिंग लाइनिंग वाला मत लेके आना।
Okay? So that will
हाँ
be,
नॉर्मल वाला ले आना।
the value will give
ठीक है,
you
वो कितने का
A
था
is equal
नॉर्मल
to
वाला?
8 meter per second
अच्छा
square.
अच्छा
Let's
तो
say after 2 seconds,
ये थोड़ा ना स्क्वायर में भी लेके आइएगा और सर्कल में भी लेके आइएगा।
after 2 seconds, the person is reaching here.
वो चौकोर,
Now
हाँ ये चौकोर में
the
और
value has
गोलाई में लेके आइएगा।
gone
है आपके पास?
to 12.
अच्छा 4 है?
Now what will be
और
the
नहीं है ये बस 4 ही है?
acceleration? So we are
हाँ तो
making
देखो
here
थोड़ा ना
A
एक
is
जैसा
equal
अच्छा
to
नहीं लगेगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा
how
पीछे
much?
चलना, थोड़ा स्क्वायर, दो जगह स्क्वायर और दो जगह
12
गोलाई, ऐसे थोड़ा सही रहेगा ना।
minus 8
हाँ हाँ
divided by
फॉल
1.
सीलिंग, हाँ फॉल सीलिंग।
So the value we are getting is acceleration is equal to 4 meter per second square. Now see the difference.
अच्छा उसमें स्क्वायर वाली नहीं लगेगी?
The first
अच्छा
is
अच्छा
about
मेरे को लगा थोड़ा स्क्वायर वाला भी
8
हो जाता होगा।
we are getting, and the second is
हाँ हाँ
4.
वही थी।
That means that it is showing you that it is
है ना, रुको देख
increasing.
लेना अपने हिसाब से कितनी लाइटें
But
हैं।
from year to year he reached
हाँ
very soon.
ठीक।
But from year to year he has not reached. He has taken the double time. That means the runner is slow, and now he is not improving. He is getting, in terms of acceleration, the value is not increased like first second. Now see, after this is a maintenance phase. This phase means the value of u is 0. No, u is how much? Let's see, he has reached 12, and now v is also 12. That means both the values are same. So when we are going to measure acceleration, that means 12 minus 12 divided by 1. That means 0. So at this moment, the acceleration is not taking place. And the acceleration is how much? 0. So during maintenance phase, the acceleration is 0. And during the deceleration phase, that means from year to year. Now this is 12 and this has gone to 9. So that means it will be how much? Acceleration is how much? Acceleration will be equal to 9 minus 12 divided by 1. That means A value is equal to minus 3. It is showing you that it is a negative acceleration, or we can say deceleration. You understood all this? I've gone very fast, or you are getting it?
हेलो हाँ
जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ा दिया है या समझ में आ रहा है?
समझ गया सर।
समझ गया?
अच्छा अच्छा
हरी,
वायर वायर ठीक
Sir,
है
yes, sir,
आपका।
I can understand, sir.
you understand this? So,
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
okay,
ठीक।
so I'll just remove this red thing from here. Okay, so where we were,
कलर
initially
लिखी
we
नहीं है इसमें?
started what is acceleration, and this is the 100
पापा
meter
ने
is a
बोला
very
कलर
good
मत लिखना।
example to give you all, where the value is starting as 0 and in finishing it is deceleration phase. So from start is there acceleration is there, maintenance is there, and the third one is deceleration phase. I'll move further.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
हाँ वो बोल रहे हैं कि जो बाहर वाली
let's go
फ्लाइट है
now
ना,
to angular
वो बाहर वाली पे
kinematics.
कलर वाली लगा दीजिएगा.
The first one was linear,
हाँ कलर
where
में
we
कौन कौन से हैं?
studied about the distance, displacement, and all that. So this
Okay.
will understand tomorrow.
अच्छा
Okay,
अच्छा, तो रेड एंड ब्लू लिया
just
और क्या?
get through that. What is distance, displacement
ठीक है.
today, speed, velocity? This I'll make you understand tomorrow. Okay, because this has got something different one. Okay, then because I've got some work, so around 10:30 I have to reach there. So we'll make it tomorrow for this. Okay.
ओके
So
सर.
what is your homework now or today? To know what is scalar quantity and what is vector quantity.
ओके सर.
For you all, any class that is not happening,
सर विनीता मैम की सर.
So anatomy.
huh?
विनीता मैम.
Which one? Vinita ma'am, she has not started till now,
नो सर, इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास इज ओवर
So she has
बट
taken an introduction class.
and after that,
नो
No
क्लास सर.
class.
okay. And the other one is which one?
सर रिसर्च क्लास सर, स्टैटिक्स.
Research class is going on,
यस सर.
and one more is there. What is
So from
that?
today it is
Hello?
so from today it is going to start physiology.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay, physiology ma'am. Okay then, because they are going to put you with,
अच्छा दिस द
I think,
केबल.
okay, Deepak sir is there,
अच्छा
no?
ठीक है. हाँ.
Okay then, we'll meet tomorrow.
कलर.
Yes,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you.